Case number 21 CR 173. State of Ohio versus Ryan L. Wilson. And you are Ryan L. Wilson.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Wilson, you were indicted by the grand jury on October the 5th on a charge of theft by deception. And that alleges that on or about July 17, 2021 in this county, you did with purpose to deprive Sherwood Blevins of $3,200 U.S. currency, knowingly obtaining direct control over that property and other miscellaneous items by deception, with property involved being more than $1,000 plus deception operator. So that is a charge. That charge, if convicted, carries a potential sentence of 6 to 12 months in prison and a fine of up to $25. You are entitled to have an attorney who represents you in the matter. And for Harlan will be a full appointment. I see you have filled out a financial disclosure form. Now you say you're self-employed, but you don't list any income. What is your employment? What do you do?
It's just a property cleanup.
What?
It's home improvement property cleanup business.
Oh, okay.
I've been in there with the hospital and I have to now.
Okay. All right. Court then will find that you are entitled to appointed counsel. Have you been in court on this charge previously? Court will appoint attorney Sarah Barber, Hillsborough, represents you. And in the absence of an attorney, the court will enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Set this matter for a retrial on November 18 at 2:30. Do you have access to a computer or a smartphone?
Yes.
All right, and you get the information sheets with the.
Thank you.
Okay. So we're doing as many hearings as we can by Zoom. So we'll get your information and send that to you. Final pre-trial will be December 2nd at 2:30. And then the trial date will be December 16th at 8 a.m. That will be the first hearing. Now, we'll be required to sign an OR bond, Mr. Wilson, which stands for owner's cognizance, and that is your promise to appear at the hearing. And the court is going to provide you with an assignment notice that will give you your dates and time. And if you fail to appear, then you could be prosecuted for an additional felony, and if convicted, sentenced on that, regardless of what happens in this case. You'll also be required to pay a deposit of $171 within 30 days in the clerk's office as to secure payment of certain statutorily required fees. You'll be in the pretrial supervision probation department at 117 East Main Street. You'll report there immediately after court. You know where that's located, right across the flight. You'll be required to report to them once a week for 4 weeks, and after that, as they determine, and you ran drug tests in the order. Provide phone numbers for your home, cell, employer, have no contact with the alleged victim in any way, direct or indirect. If recommended by probation, you'll be evaluated for substance abuse and mental health issues. When any treatment is indicated, you'll enroll in and follow that during pendency of this action. You'll also be under house arrest at your residence, meaning you have to be there at all times unless you're working, going to and from work, medical appointments, court proceedings in this or any other case, appointment with an attorney or probation officer in this or any other case, and also attend any kind of schooling, job training, college classes, etc. You may also attend any church services, and since we're coming into the holiday season, you can also attend any family holiday events. You have to go directly to public places and also inform the probation department of where and when to be there. If you fail to comply with the requirements of your bond, the court could revoke that and be taken into custody and held pending further order of the court. Now, did you go out to the sheriff's office to get a fingerprinted photograph?
Yes.
All right, you have any questions? All right, so you're going to step around here, get your signed notice of bailiff, give them your contact information on your phone and email and so forth. Then I have to go downstairs to sign your OR bond and then go to the clerk or to the probation office. Okay. Katie Creed. Okay, it's case number 21 CR 177. State of Ohio versus Katie Marie Creed. Are you Katie Marie Creed? Right, Ms. Creed, you were indicted by the grand jury on October the 5th on charge of alleges on or about April 11, 2021 in this county, knowing obtained possession of use of methamphetamine. A felony of the 5th degree, aggravated possession of methamphetamine, and the convicted carries a potential sentence of between 6 and 12 months in prison, a fine of up to $25, and a possible license suspension of 6 months to 5 years. Now, you're entitled to have an attorney to represent you in this matter, and if you can't afford to hire one for you, I see you have put out a financial disclosure form. Is everything on this correct? When the last time you were employed?
2013.
Yeah.
But I am doing Ohio Works first, and I am trying to find a job. I just got out of prison.
Oh, okay.
Because when I got picked up, they were looking for me then, and that's how they got me.
Okay. Now, you don't list anybody living there at your address, courthouse. Is there anyone living there besides you?
Yeah, my daughter lives there.
All right. What's her name?
Danica Coleman.
Danica.
D-A-N-I-K-A.
K-A. Okay. How old is she?
She is 8.
8. What's her date of birth?
4/11/13.
Okay.
And she has special needs.
And then he rests back there.
He lives there mostly. Yeah.
What's his name?
Adam Morris.
Adam Morris.
Uh-huh.
All right.
I didn't put him down because I filled it out right now.
I understand. All right. What's your date of birth, Mr. Morris?
September 14th, 1985.
All right. All right. Court then finds that you are entitled to appointed counsel. Now, is this the first time you've been in court on this charge?
Yes.
The court appoints attorney Danielle Witt of Hillsborough, Ohio, to represent you. And in the absence of counsel, under a not guilty plea on your behalf. First pretrial will be set for November 17th at 2:15. And do you have an email address and access to a computer? If we have contact information, fill it out, because pre-trial is when pre-trial proceedings are generally being done by Zoom because of COVID. So that'll be a Zoom hearing. Final pre-trial will be December 15th at 2:15 p.m. Trial date will be January 11 at 8 a.m. submitted to be released on an OR bond only, which is your problem here. And failed here, then could be prosecuted for an additional felony and convicted, sentenced on that regardless of this case.
And I see side of Pleas Valley mental health and substance abuse also, for substance abuse.
I'm sorry, what?
I see side of Pleas Valley for my mental health and
Yeah,
substance
okay.
abuse. I just wanted to do that.
All right. Okay, so you'll be also under pretrial supervision of our probation department, 117 East Main Street. I don't know if you're familiar with it or not, but this is Main Street to my right here, to your left. And right there in the center of town is High Street. We're about a half block east of the intersection. On the south side, it sits right on the alley, it's got a brick front.
Oh, okay.
2 or 3 story buildings right across from the flag station.
Okay, yes,
So
I
you
know
report
this.
there immediately after court, and you're going to be required to report within 1 week or 4 weeks after that as they determine. And go random drug testing in the order, provide funding for home cell employer. If recommended by probation, you'll be evaluated for substance abuse or mental health issues. If treatment's indicated, you'll enroll in and file that during pendency of this action. You're already there, so you can explain to them what's going on. And then you'll be under house arrest at your residence at 619 Gibbs Avenue in Washington Courthouse, which means you have to be there unless you're working. Going to and from work, this minute. You can also go and seek work, go to medical appointments, any kind of court proceedings in this or any other case, appointments with an attorney or probation officer in this or any other case. Go to any kind of educational schooling, training, etc., job training, etc. Go to church services. You can also, since your daughter is underage, you can also do any of your child's activities, doctor's appointments, school activities, things of that nature. And you can also do family holiday events. But other than that, you have to be there at all times. And if you fail to comply, the court could revoke that bond, have you held till further order of the court. And you'll need to make sure that you go directly to a couple of those events that you're permitted to go to, and keep the probation department informed of that in advance. Now, do you have any questions?
You answered my question, thank you so much.
Sorry,
You answered my question, so I was worried about my daughter.
Yeah, I
and
thought I
looking
would.
for a job.
Yeah. All right, so you're going to come around here and sign an assignment notice, then go down to the clerk's office to sign your OR bond, make your payment arrangements, and then go down to probation. All right, thank you. Oh, did you go to the sheriff's office to get fingerprinted?
No.
All right, you need to, after you go to the probation department, that's on your way home, behind Southern States, you go report there to be booked, as they call it.
Okay, thank you.
Hold on a second, you gotta sign your sign notes there. So take it down to the clerk's office.
Every day.